After a season of setbacks, failed attempts, and personal lows, I realized that transformation doesn't happen overnight. Winter used to be my time of excuses, low energy, bad habits, and falling behind. But now, I see it differently. It's the perfect season to reset, refocus, and rise again. This guide isn't just theory, it's built from experience, what worked, what didn't, and how I learned to come back stronger each time. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Set your vision for winter arc. Before diving into any change, you need clarity. Winter is the perfect time to reflect on what went right and wrong in the past year. Take a moment to think about your vision for this winter arc. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's physical transformation, personal development, career advancement, or improving relationships, write down your goals. Having a clear vision helps you stay focused when things get tough. Step 2. Declutter your mind and space. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. Start by cleaning and organizing your physical environment. Declutter your home, workspace, and even digital spaces like your phone and laptop. This physical reset will help clear your mental fog and reduce overwhelm. Simultaneously, declutter your mind through meditation or journaling. Practice mindfulness to gain mental clarity, letting go of negative thoughts and distractions. Step 3. Build a routine for success. Consistency is key. If you want to reset and come back better, you need a routine that supports your vision. Winter is an ideal time to refine your habits. Create a morning routine that primes you for success. Whether it's a workout, reading, or a healthy breakfast, build habits that align with your goals. In the evening, implement a wind-down routine to improve sleep quality, which is essential for mental and physical recovery. If you want to learn how to improve your sleep, I leave my Sleepmaxxing video in the descriptions. Step 4. Physical reset with fitness. Fitness should be a core part of your reset. Winter can make it hard to stay active, but building strength during this season will give you a head start come spring. Focus on a mix of strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. If you've been out of shape, start slow, but stay consistent. The goal is to reset your body, boost your energy, and build discipline. Don't forget that proper nutrition goes hand in hand with exercise. Fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods to support muscle recovery and fat loss. Click the playlist above if you want to learn the secret tricks about body maxing. Step 5. Prioritize mental fortitude. Coming back 10 times better requires mental toughness. Winter can be mentally draining, so it's essential to train your mind. Set challenges for yourself that push you out of your comfort zone. This could be reading more, learning a new skill, or simply committing to doing the hard things you tend to avoid. The more you practice overcoming small challenges, the stronger your mental resilience will become. If you don't know how to get mental toughness, you can mental max yourself with this one. Step 6. Strengthen relationships. During winter, it's easy to isolate yourself, but social connections are vital for emotional well-being. Use this time to reconnect with friends, family, or mentors who inspire you. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and challenge you to grow. If certain relationships are toxic or holding you back, now is the time to set boundaries and distance yourself from negative influences. Step 7. Financial reset. A solid financial foundation is crucial for any reset. Take stock of your financial situation and set clear financial goals for this winter arc and next year. Winter is a great time to review your spending habits, create a budget, and start saving. If you've been struggling with debt or poor financial management, use this period to get things under control. Financial stability will give you peace of mind and free up mental energy for other aspects of your life. Step 8. Reflect, adjust, and move forward. Resetting isn't just about creating new habits, but also about reflecting on what's working and what's not. Take time each week to evaluate your progress. Are your routines serving you? Are you on track with your goals? Don't be afraid to make adjustments. Winter is long and it's easy to fall off track, but the key is to keep moving forward, even if it's in small steps. By the time spring comes around, you'll be ready to emerge stronger and more focused. In conclusion, the winter arc is your opportunity to hit the reset button and make significant improvements in your life.